In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a bumper bracket on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located behind the bumper. Let's get started. Remove the plastic clips on top of the grille. And use a pair of clip pliers. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the grille. Lift straight up and remove the grille. There's 2 clips on either side going to the headlight that will pop out. Once both clips are popped, lift straight up. These are the clips on either side that'll pop out. These are grabbing on to the headlight. Remove the clip. Pull out and over. Remove the 3 clips in the front of the bumper. We only have 1. Use a little trim tool, pop the clip up. Should be 2 more. Inside the fender well, you're going to find a plastic clip. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver or similar tool. Twist it straight up and down so it's in the unlocked position. Then we'll use a small trim tool and pull the clip out. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the inner splash shield to the side, out of the clip. And make enough room for your arm to get in. On the top, you're going to find a 10mm bolt. Remove the bolt. Do the same thing on the other side. There's 2 10mm bolts for the front fender liner attaching to the front bumper. Remove the 2 bolts. Do the same thing on the other side. You should have 2 more plastic clips for the front bumper located on the bottom. They should be going to these brackets right here. There's 1 and 2. If you have these, go ahead and remove them. Our car, they're missing. We're going to remove the front bumper. Start at one corner. Grab the corner of the bumper, pull straight out, should unclip. We're going to go do the same thing on the other side. If you have fog lights, as you pull this bumper off, don't pull it off very far. Reach back and undo the connectors if you have them. If not, go ahead and remove the bumper. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the bumper bracket. Remove the bolt. Pop the bracket out. Install the bumper bracket. Click it into place. Install the bolt. Make sure the bolt is nice and snug. Get the bumper started on one corner. Pull it around. Install the 10mm screw for the side of the bumper. Pull down on the bumper. Slide the inner fender liner in between the bumper and the bracket. Install the screw. There's one more right here. Get the screw started. Snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. If you have the 2 plastic clips for the bottom, install those for the bumper now. Install the headlight trim molding. Slide it into this back first. Clip it in. Install the plastic clip. Install the grille. There will be a tab in the middle here. Line it up. Line up the 2 clips on either side. And push the grille down into place. Install the 2 bolts in the top. Install the plastic clips on either side through the grille to the headlight. Install the fender liner into the clip. Install the plastic clip. Turn it a quarter turn so it's flat and locked down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.